Hi guys, today's video is going to be different. It's going to be a skincare video. I know that I have not been here for a good while. Thank you to those that still come back and watch my videos. I really do appreciate you. I have missed filming videos like crazy. And so today's video is going to be makeup free. We're actually going to be testing out a new skincare product that I received in the mail. This company from Australia contacted me and asked me if I wanted to give an honest review, and so here I am. I do want to try it out. I love skincare. If you guys know my channel at all, you'll know that I'm like addicted to masks and all kinds of things. So this is a skincare mask and we're gonna try it out together. Let me know if you guys want to see a video every week trying out like a new skincare product. Maybe I can try like a high-end one, then another week I can try out like a drugstore or a high-end, you know, whatever. Like, let me know if you are interested in those type of videos. So let's just go ahead and get into it. This is an Australian product. This does only have local imported ingredients in it, so strictly from Australia. It's a pink clay mask. It's called Alya skin, sorry, I'm probably chopping the name up. No. Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask. Detoxifying and brightens the skin. They do not test on animals, which is cruelty free. What they recommend is that you apply a thin coat on your face and then you just wipe it away with a warm, wet towel. And then you go ahead and go in with your daily moisturizer and you apply that onto your skin so that, you know, your face can absorb all the moisture. Pink clay, like you might be asking what the heck is pink clay, because I kind of asked the same thing, but I looked it up and I guess what it is, it's a clay that actually is very good on, or very gentle, so it's great for sensitive skin, but it still has all the properties that you need to like detoxify and brighten, and it still works really great supposedly. So you spread it on, leave it on for 10 minutes, and yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this puppy open, and I really like the packaging. This is what the mask looks like. It has the name on the lid, and then it's pink, obviously. I don't know if you guys can see that. Excuse the way that I look. I figured this would be a great time because I got home, I worked 2 jobs today, and look at my skin. Look at my skin. No, actually, yesterday, like I went through and extracted some pimples, so I look a hot mess, but it's okay. It's okay. We have this, and we're gonna try it out. And I'm really tired right now, but yeah. When you open it, it comes securely shut, and I think we'll just use what's on the lid. It smells good. It smells really good. It smells just like, I don't know. You can definitely smell the licorice and the pomegranate. It's pretty cool. Pink, this is like my favorite pink shade. We're gonna use what's on the brush, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a small layer, and I guess I will be right back. Like, I don't know what else to say about this. And I'm a good subject for this because I have very, very sensitive skin, and anything like jacks me up kinda, you know? So I think I'm just gonna do the whole, you just do it all, you know? Go bigger. And then it tells you to sit back, relax for 10 minutes. And yeah. This pink clay is really, really good for dry skin, so, and sensitive skin. It's like they know me, like they knew to pick me to make this video because I'm an alligator sometimes. So I'm just gonna go in. I look crazy, I know. I promise my next video will be a beauty one. Well, this is beauty, because girls, honestly, you gotta take care of your skin. Like, if you don't take care of your skin, there's no reason in wearing makeup, because yeah.
I'm trying really hard to make it like even, you know, like Instagram good, you know?
Alright guys, so I'm back. I just went and took off the mask. Really like not dry anymore. It doesn't feel dull. Like it feels like almost supple again. Like I don't know if you saw at the beginning of the video, but my face kind of like you can tell it just looks dry and it feels really good right now. But yeah, I really like it. It didn't burn my face because usually any product that I try, I'm very sensitive, so anything like irritates me. Don't have one thing bad to say about this mask. Hopefully it doesn't dry out on me, but yeah, it has an expiration date. Cool, it lasts a few years. 2021, 3 years, wow. But anyway, so I really like it. What I usually do, go in for like a moisturizer. I always wear this. Like lately I've been so busy that I don't even wear makeup to work. I'll apply this. So this is my Olay, no. This is my Pond's Daily Moisturizer. I'm just gonna... I definitely see myself using it once a week. So if you guys like the video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It does help me out a lot. Also subscribe if you're new to my channel. There will be more content. Let me know what you guys want to see because I'm itching to like film. Very sorry. But I'm going to go ahead and leave their link in the description box down below. Go like my video on Instagram that I posted of the sheet mask on my face. And also they were super kind and they went ahead and gave you guys a discount code to see. So if you want to purchase this item, go to their website. You get 15% off. You don't have to absolutely. You don't have to use my code. Like go to their website, order it because I think it's a very great product. So I'll leave all the details, more details of the product in the description down below because I know I'm kind of all over the place. I haven't been on YouTube for a little bit. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. I approve it. It's great. It works nice. It feels good. My skin feels really good right now. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I'm back, just kidding. But no, I don't know if I even told you guys the discount code. So yeah, go to their website and the discount code for 15% off their items is Velma I. I forgot to mention that totally. But bye again, bye.